Garlic, some bell peppers. I gotta get some salt water going. Put some chicken bouillon in the noodles. Rasta. Oh, because I love those legs. Good quality, honey. I want to make it fun. If it's a problem, I'm just... Oil, the Trinity. Let's spinach. A marinara sauce. Then I put the noodles. Then I topped it with the mixture. Marinara sauce, noodles, mixture. I gotta pee, but this is what we are right now. Now it needs noodles.
Okay, good. Okay. All right, so you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so what I need you to
marinara sauce mixture.
Introduce yourself, right? Say future Dr. Zachary Carnes, okay?
Hey, how's it going?
This is a meatless dish for those of you who are transitioning, trying to like myself.
Oh, it's a pleasure to finally meet you.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you too. How's your day going so far?
It's been good. I'm excited to get this done today.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm so excited that my baby boy Zachary is going to middle school. He just graduated from UGA.
It looks like we got a bridge seat today.
Medical school.
And now he's interning at my office, so please let him know a whole lot. But he is on the payroll as well.
A bit of a extensive procedure, but you're in great hands.
Actually,
Lettuce, homemade croutons.
Plus, get premium benefits and a collection of luxury access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide. Open up a world of possibilities.